How to write SEO-friendly blog posts without sounding like a robot. My name is Kevin from the Online Visibility Agency, and in this video we're going to look at how you can write SEO content, blog posts with SEO in them that are going to absolutely nail it for you and not make you sound like you are a robot that is following a script, because it will just drive your readers absolutely nuts. So here we go. Three things here. Firstly, we use natural language. When we write blog posts, it's like a conversation. That's what we're aiming for. It's as if we were sitting with someone, and we wouldn't use unnatural language if we're sitting with someone. We're having a chat with them, we're explaining something to them, we're talking to someone that may or may not understand what it is that your industry is about, and we make it so it's really easy to digest that information. And we can naturally, in our language, if we've done our key phrase and keyword research correctly, we've got a big long list of words and phrases we can use that we can naturally distribute throughout that content, so they feel normal. And if you read it and you go, oh, cringe, or it doesn't sound right, don't put it in, right? Your content, first and foremost, has to be high quality. So that takes me on to the next one. Prioritize the experience of your readers. Focus on creating content that's engaging and valuable rather than overloading it with keywords. And this is one of the ones that a lot of people fall foul of. They'll sit there and they'll go, well, I need to get this optimized. I need to have this keyword X amount of times within so many paragraphs, within this, that, and the other, and all of that. And the green traffic light only comes on when I do this. The thing is, you need to read it. So read the blog post that you've written, record it, play it back to yourself, and then sit there and listen to it and go, how does that sound? Does that sound like it's a nice conversation that's being had, or does it sound like someone's just throwing a load of words at me that don't really make it any more useful for me to read that content? And if it's the second one, go back and edit it. If it's the first one, you've nailed it. And the last one, organize your content using headings. The layout of your content is really important, using clear headings, subheadings, and breaking down that content. We don't want to read a block of text. We don't want to see just one paragraph when you've got 1,500 words in it. We want nice headings, nice subheadings. If you need to put bullet points in it, put it in there. But make sure your content is visually attractive so it's easier to read and digest. And then you'll have nailed exactly how you can write your content without making it sound as dull as dishwater and as robotic as data from the enterprise. That's it for this video. Have a great day. See you on the next video.